Hello, welcome back. So we're going to start folding some clothes here today. So we've got different sizes to think about. My children just did a growing, as I call it. So they went up 2 centimeters each. So what does that mean when it comes to laundry? Like why, that's great. Yeah, wonderful. It actually means a lot for everything. So it means a lot for clothes because now they've outgrown the clothes they're currently wearing. So I've got to go up a size in their clothes. So I need to start thinking about transitioning their clothes from the size I currently have to the size that they need to have. So anything that is running large, they can still wear. Anything that is small or runs small, I need to start phasing out of their clothes, out of their closet at least. So that's what I've got to do as I fold their clothes now, is look and see what I can take out. And then what can I give away? So if I can I just put it on the fence outside and the neighbors can have it? Or is it something that has good wear left and I want to put it on Vinted and maybe sell? So it really just depends on the clothes. And some of the clothes, if I can my youngest wear them again? So as my oldest grows, will it be something that my youngest can fit into? So it's just something to think about as you're folding laundry and you're checking sizes, what will and won't fit for the kids. And I want to get some of these clothes so that they can make sure they fit, try them on. Make sure everything fits well for them. Okay, so I got a sweats outfit. Got some tank tops here. So what I started doing last year was buying things larger because I knew they would do a growth spurt. And so just planned ahead for that and started buying one size up so that things were a little bit oversized. And so now it's not such a shock when they're like, oh, I don't have anything to wear. Now at least we've got a transition. We've got some clothes that are already bigger that they can wear, which is good. And then again, just if it's too small, make sure that goes down a size. other kid. So I've got 134s and 122s now. Where before I had 116 and 128. So now it's just looking at, you know, those new sizes and getting rid of all the little ones. Matching up your socks, and it looks like I've got two lone socks here which don't have a friend. So I'll have to take a look around the house and see where their pair went, where their matching sock went. It seems to have disappeared somewhere throughout the laundry process. Anyway, thank you for folding laundry with me. Have a great day. Until next time. Tschüss.